It cool down faster.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we are gonna show you. I'm going to show you. We are going to show you.
Edgar here.
Edgar. Edgar. Edgar and we are going to change a timing belt for a 2.7 Hyundai Tiburon. This is a subscriber of ours that follow us on the channel, and he reached to us and told us that if we can take care of the timing belt change and everything for him. So, and he talked to Edgar, and I told him, of course, we can do it. So he bring the car today, and here we are. We already lift the car on jack stands and
Check it out.
put the what's the name of that in English?
I don't know.
The supports. Supports. Well, Edgar, show him what he bought.
He brought
He bought the kit.
the good one, the gates.
Yep. Unboxing here. See what goodies we have here in this. We recommend these guys. This is one of the best kits that we are using right now. We put this kit in all the builds that we did. It comes with everything. Good brand, Gates, one of the best brands in the market for belts and everything. So this kit is including the timing belt. It is a Gates, really important. It's a good quality belt.
Water pump.
Also comes with water pump. The water pump. So it doesn't say brand or anything, but it comes with the Gates kit. So we know that it is a good quality. Here we have one of the idle tensioners. This one is KYB. This is a Japanese or Korean part. So this is one of the best brands. So if you buy OEM part box in a Hyundai part, this is the same.
Yeah,
It's
Korean.
So, but it's cheaper. Buying it like this, you can see here. Also, good Korean or Japanese part. Bring with the hydraulic tensioner, yeah. With the clip, you don't take this clip until you do everything. So this is what when you release this clip, this is gonna release the pressure here, and it's gonna put pressure on the tensioner, so the belt is gonna be tight. And the gasket for the water pump. So this is a really good kit. We have good parts here. The first thing that we do is lose some of the bolts. We have to take apart these covers. We have to take this pulley. This is the power steering pulley. We have to take it out, because if you don't take this pulley out, you're not going to be able to pull these covers off. So take the pulley and the belt tensioner. You have to take it out. So we can take the serpentine belt out and start taking the covers off, so we can do the work. So let's do it. Okay, we already took this nut off. We're gonna take this pulley off. We also took the serpentine belt off, and now we are going to take out this tensioner. Well, guys, look at this. Look at the condition of the belt. It has a lot of wrinkles, and thank God he decided to do it because this was ready to break anytime. So we already took the covers off. I need to loosen up the sprocket bolt so I can take the sprocket off, but first we are gonna put the engine on time on top of that center so we don't have problems and when we take everything apart.
You see how that shit goes? You see? This right here matches the other thing inside. And over here matches the white dot with the dash. Over here the same thing. Now it's on top of the center.
Yep. Yeah, now we have to we're gonna take the tensioners off, and you have to support the engine from the bottom because we have to take this engine mount because the belt goes through this support here. So we have to put the jack on the crank of the oil pan on the engine with a piece of wood or something so you don't bend the oil pan, and as long as you do that, we can take off this support and take the belt off. Okay guys, we already took the belt and the tensioners. Look at how the belt looks. It's crazy, man. Was almost broke. This belt almost broke. And if it broke, you know what it means. All the valves of the engine is gonna bend. Now we're gonna take the water pump off. For this, I have to move the power steering pump. You have 2 bolts here, only 2 bolts, 2 14 bolts. Put it aside, and now it's gonna be better and easier for you to change the water pump. This is the water pump. I'm gonna take all these bolts. These are 12 millimeter bolts, so take all those bolts. We're gonna do a mess here with coolant and everything. Okay guys, you have to in order to change the water pump, you have to take both of the sprockets, cancha sprocket out, because you have to take the cover that is behind the sprockets in order to take out the water pump, because that cover is in front of the water pump and you cannot take the water pump off unless you take this cover off. There's one over there, yeah. So we have a few bolts here, 10 millimeters. Yep, that's the cover. That cover is with in this part is clamping the water pump. The water pump is behind the cover, so if you don't take that cover off, you are not going to be able to take the water pump off. Don't mind the fan; it's a little bit hot. So we are Puerto Ricans and need to be cold to do this work. Okay, now we already took some of the bolts of the water pump out. Those are 12. This is 10. 12. 12. Yep. Now we're gonna do a mess in the floor. Put something to get the water. It's gonna drip water all over the place. It's really short. Now you have to clean everything up really good because you don't want to have water leaks when you put everything back together. Gasket?
Right here.
Is it there? Okay. It's original. It's never been changed. This is Alejandro's brake cleaner. Let's see if I can put this here. Always use this kind of brush because this is plastic, it's not abrasive, and you're not going to damage the part where the gasket goes. Okay, we already put back the sprockers. We are putting all the brand new. We already installed the water pump. You can see it here. There is a water pump new. We are putting the two idle pulleys, this one and this one. The engine is already on top dead center in the camshaft, as you can see here. There's a dot here. There's a line. It's already aligned, and now we're going to put the hydraulic tensioner so we can install the belt to close everything up. Well, guys, it's already done. Everything is back together. So now we're gonna turn the car on to see if everything is good. Fill the coolant, and that's it. We are done for today.